Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to edit wallpaper on iPhone iOS 26. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to edit wallpaper on your iPhone, all you simply need to do is make sure your iPhone is running on latest iOS 26. To check this, you can just go to your iPhone settings, click on General, select Software Update, and check for the latest software update. As you can see, my iPhone is up to date. Now, to edit wallpaper on your iPhone running on iOS 26, press and hold the home screen, then locate and click on Edit Wallpaper. Then here you should see your wallpaper trimmed. Now, you can now go ahead, change the wallpaper color, change to gradient, click on Photo to add photo as the background, then search through and then select the photo you want to use. Now, once you selected the photo you want to hang on, then click on Done. Select the photo to have it like this. If you want to use gradient, and if you don't want to use gradient, if you want to turn on blur. So just play around to edit the wallpaper to please you. Once you are done, go ahead and click on Done. Before then, if you want to change the color, click on Color, or click on Color again to change the background to another color. Then once you've selected your choice of color, click outside. Then once you've selected that, you can now go ahead and click on Done. So once you hit the Done button, this is what you're going to see. And then it should say your wallpaper edited. You can repeat it again. Click on Done. Now that is my new wallpaper. You see that? So that is exactly how to edit wallpaper on iPhone iOS 26. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.